Hey class, so here is my page. I've done a little bit of updates to it. Got some Photoshop skills, very amateur, but Photoshop me just as wearing my Godzilla onesie, looming over the city of Calgary here. Um, I haven't been checking out the analytics too much. I've honestly probably been focusing more on my YouTube channel more than anything. But every single YouTube post or anytime I post this on like Facebook or anything, I do have a link to the website as well. I used to have a testimonial page itself, which is completely separate, but I found that a lot of people just wouldn't be clicking on it. So I decided to put all the testimonials, which are supposed to be little funny things, just on the front page here. Like my dad saying he couldn't be more disappointed in me, or if you're looking for wisdom or inspiration or just a good laugh, this blog isn't for you, from Abraham Lincoln, or I'd rather relive my parents dying than watch one of your videos, from Batman. Um, and then just below, I just have my episodes listed below. It actually became a little hard to promote some of these episodes here because I'm not very religious myself, so I do like consume alcohol and eat bacon and that sort of things. Um, but it didn't really mesh well with my Muslim family or my Muslim in-laws, and I was kind of like scared that it might come back to them, so I didn't promote those videos necessarily. So I didn't get like a bunch of views. And honestly, just with like COVID and restrictions, I surprisingly didn't have as much fun making those videos. Um, but I did release two videos just about the experiences about growing up in Calgary, which is probably where I had a lot more creative fulfillment and I had a lot more fun. If when I do continue with the channel, I probably will delete the food videos and just continue making like these rants about growing up or just my views on things. So that's one of the things I'm learning and taking away from there. Um, and then, yeah, I just got my disclaimer at the bottom there telling people to reach me by a Ouija board or email me. Um, also have my about page, which I didn't really update too much, and my contact info. Um, I was fairly new to like social media. I felt like I was in a coma with regarding it, so I do need to work on better promoting it through Twitter and Instagram. But I was able to reach my goal for getting my one of my YouTube videos to get 100 views. My favorite YouTube video, growing up brown in the YYC, actually got 160 views. So it's a little small victory for me. Um, but yeah, the other videos which I didn't promote are sitting at around 30 views there, just as I sent it to some friends or more family. But yeah, here's what I have here. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.